Okay guys, what we'll do, we'll make a red curry paste from scratch. There's nothing better than your own curry paste. So we want to soak about 7 big dried chilies for about 15 minutes until they soften up, and then we'll be able to chop them and put them in our mortar. So in our mortar then, what we need to do is put in 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we need to cut up, slice and dice very finely, some galangal. Now we want about 1/2 to 3/4 of a tablespoon. What we're doing guys, we're doing all the hard herbs, veg ingredients first to make it easy to mash up in the mortar. Then we want to take 2 lemongrass, and we want the bottom halves. So I want to peel all the woody stems off, and then we want to finely slice the lemongrass. Now we want a good heaped tablespoon of lemongrass. Okay, next up into our paste mixture, we want 1 teaspoon of kaffir lime peel. Now we need to peel it and we need to finely dice it. Now you might not be able to get hold of kaffir lime peel, don't worry about it. Obviously if you can get it, it is a good ingredient to have in. Gives a nice citrusy touch. Take 3 coriander roots. Again, we need to finely chop these. We want 1 good tablespoon of coriander root. And then we're going to take our pre-soaked chilies, maybe about 6 or 7, chop them up into 1 centimeter pieces and put them in our mortar. We want about 7 small dried chilies for heat. Now we need to start giving this a good mashing. This is all our hard ingredients. So mash this up into a paste. It will be a fairly coarse paste because don't forget this is hard ingredients. And then we want to take some garlic. Now we're using Thai garlic, so it'll be about 10 small garlic cloves, but in the West you might use just 4 or 5 large cloves of garlic. Put that in your mortar. Then we want to take 8 small red shallots, and again we need to slice this, finely slice it and dice it and put it in our mortar. So this is our soft ingredients for our paste. So give it a good mashing, incorporate everything together, and then we want 1/2 a tablespoon of shrimp paste. Give that a good mixing in and mashing in, stir it in. Right guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And that's our red paste made.